Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a review of the Jekero portable DVD player with 14-inch screen. This came to me from Amazon. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I bought this out of my own money and it was $71.99. And I want to thank everyone who watches my videos and clicks on the Amazon links because that partly paid for this portable DVD player. The reason I bought it is I have a Flagstaff pop-up now and I wanted something to play all these DVDs that are sitting in my basement while I'm out. And sometimes a lot of times when I'm by myself, I'll put something on the tablet or whatever, just background noise, or to watch a scary movie or something. Anyway, the box it came in was remind me of a laptop, to be honest with you. I was like, oh, is this a laptop? But I already knew that. I'd looked through the reviews, I saw the pictures, so I knew it looked like a early or probably about an early 2000s laptop. So I already figured that much about it. It came well packaged, of course. It came from Amazon. I did not go through the company website. I went through Amazon. The reason I go through Amazon for a lot of things like that is if there's any problems, I contact Amazon, or if I have to contact the seller, they're going to deal with it, or if they want to keep selling on Amazon, because Amazon will not allow them to keep selling if they don't deal with problems. Right away, when I pick it up and take it out of the box, I realize how lightweight it is. It definitely doesn't weigh like a mid 2000s, early 2000s laptop that is the size of. Then you see all the different cords it comes with. There's a car adapter, which I really liked having. Plus, it came with a regular charger and the remote. One thing it did not come with was the gamepad that they advertise in their listing. There was no gamepad for it to play like emulated games like NES games, Nintendo, and all that good stuff, which was a bummer for me. I didn't buy it exactly for that, but it was a good bonus. And that was a big thing for me. I kind of wanted one. As you can see, there you go. There's the proof it did not come with the gamepad, game control they advertised. So I emailed the company. Company has not responded. 5 days, they leave an email in there to let you know, hey, we'll respond in 24 hours. No, it's been 5, 6 days. They have not. I contacted through Amazon. They did not. As you can see, that's all accessories. So, would I recommend getting this or not? That is your choice, but let you know. That's why I say get it through Amazon, because sooner or later, if I want to, I'll contact Amazon, and Amazon will make it right. Um, this, like I said, was $71.99. As you can see, it looks just like a laptop. I look at all the different inputs that it has on it. There'll be just a picture of actually what the inputs are on this. It takes USBs up to 32 gigabytes. It can do DVDs, DVD-R, DVD-RWs, VCDs, and you'll see the whole list. I'll have a picture of the whole list of everything it can take. This is a layman's review. This isn't that type of review. They claim this can last 5 to 6 hours on a charge. Usually, when these companies say it'll last 5 to 6 hours, let's take it with a grain of salt. Let's say 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours to be on the safe side, 3 hours to be on the really safe side. Open up the DVD player. You just push down on it, clicks open, push it back down to close it, and it clicks closed. As you can see, there's all the ports on it. Um, Also, the USB that it can take and all that stuff. Um, you power it on, it's probably about the speed of a regular DVD player in regards to how quick it loads up. It will not upscale DVDs. People in the video comments or in the comments for actual Amazon were saying they were mad. They thought the screen was bad. No, the screen is not bad. It's playing DVDs at what they really look like on a regular TV back in the day. So there you go. There's the Flagstaff pop-up. Here's me installing it. There's my Frenchie. That's my new French Bulldog. I've had him for a minute now. Old baby bear, you'd always see in my videos. My Sheepadoodle passed away. He had cancer and he passed away on me. So I have another dog, a little young one. He's about 2 years old now. I have my other dog too, but Frenchie or Max or Smushy, we call him. He's got to be right next to a human being. So let's test it in the Flagstaff. So this is in the actual Flagstaff, sitting where it's likely going to sit when it's inside the Flagstaff when I'm camping alone or, whatever. Pop a video in here, a DVD, and you'll see how long it takes to actually load up, which was what I expected. It loads up about as quick as a regular DVD player because that's what it is. It's basically just a cheap DVD player with a screen on it. I knew that when I bought it. So with that being said, I did that, and I also have a remote for it. Before I forget, one thing with the remote mostly has to be straight ahead at it. The actual signal or the infrared reader or whatever it is in the front, so it's kind of straight. You cannot hit it from the sides or anything like that. I knew this. People complain. Some people complain about it. Some people couldn't get the remotes to work. Some people were just don't have the time to look at things like that. So anyway, it does work. It worked fine. It's 480p, by the way. Like I said, I'd say high 480p. It's whatever DVDs were back then. The screen was adequate. It was great, actually. The sound on this was actually pretty good. I won't play the sound in this just because of copyright, all that good stuff. They'd copyright my video or whatever. Someone would say something. So anyway, but the sound is adequate, definitely loud, cool. It has an output stereo. So with the output, I can plug it into the Flagstop pop-ups Camper's actual stereo system and play it through there if I want to. Or I can play my actual audio books on here too. As you can see, this is how it can turn 270 degrees or 180 degrees. Only thing I'd recommend, don't have the DVD playing for most of these, what I'm doing right here, because you'll make it skip. It has ionized shock on it, also to help keep prevent skipping and all that good stuff. That's neither here nor there with me because I'm not going to be playing it while I'm driving. But beyond that, as you can see, you can do stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Um, like I said, I was totally satisfied with. I was bummed that the customer service for the company is inadequate. I will be contacting Amazon on about this. Now, one thing I will recommend if you buy things like this, um, how long it lasts, I don't know. I'm using the power charger right here. It comes with, you can plug in. I do not know, but what I will tell you is this. I put the 2-year warranty on it. It was only $7.99. They will offer a 3-year warranty too, and this is through Amazon itself. This is not through the company. So if this breaks, does not work, they'll refund my money or replace it. So for 2 years, I don't have nothing and worry free. I could care less about the warranty they give with it because if they wouldn't contact me about a simple thing, I asked them about the gamepad that they advertised, would they contact me if it broke? So no, I'm not going to mess with you. I'm going to put $7.99, pay $7.99, and for 2 years, worry-free issues with it. And I have used that insurance before. People say, well, they don't. Yes, they do. I've used it a couple times on things a lot more expensive than this. As you can see, there's with all the explanation of the ports, all that good stuff. But beyond that, would I recommend? It's your choice to buy this or not buy this. Customer service is not very good, but if you get the warranty, I'd recommend buying this if this fits your needs. I'll leave a link in the description for this product. And also, it has a screen protector on it, so you don't have to worry about scratching it up. It's already on it, so you don't have to put it on there. It was a good size, especially for my pop-up camper. The sound was definitely good, and it'll be really good once I plug it into my actual stereo system. Anyway, this is Frugal Panda. I want to thank everyone for watching my videos. I hope this helps someone out there who's either making a decision to purchase something like this, interested in this type of technology, old technology. It's nothing new. It's just, basically if you need a combo DVD player with a screen. Um, but yeah, this is Frugal Panda. Thanks for watching. This is a Jekero portable DVD player with 14.1-inch screen. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get out there and have some fun. Frugal Panda is out.